Hi there, Melody from WTI, here enjoying my cooling gel memory foam mattress. This is the queen size. So many cool things about this cool gel memory foam. Let me tell you all about it.
So first of all, it is a queen short, so it is the perfect size for my RV, so when I'm away camping, I can still get a great night's sleep. The gel foam that's in the mattress draws the heat away from our body and it keeps us cool while we sleep. This is so comfortable. The medium firm feel is perfect. It conforms to your body while you're sleeping in it, and when your other half moves in the middle of the night, which they do, it won't wake you up to ensure you a great rest.
So if you're looking for the perfect mattress for your camper, this is the one. You don't need no Amazon guy to drag it in. You can pull it in yourself, unbox it, pop it on your bed frame, and there you have it. You enjoy a nice bed in your camper, just like I have, and that's my point of view.